Help you find a freaking awesome power electronics manufacturer with sales increasing 5 times every year. This company is FindSupply, dedicated to expanding the boundaries of energy through pioneering innovation. Our core focus lies in the realm of power electronics, where we cater to the diverse requirements of the power conversion industry. FindSupply is driven by a passion for innovation and a relentless pursuit of excellence. We understand the critical role that power electronics play in today's rapidly evolving technological landscape. As such, we have positioned ourselves at the forefront of this field, constantly pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Our team of experts is equipped with the knowledge and expertise to develop cutting-edge solutions that address the dynamic needs of the power conversion industry. At the heart of our company is a commitment to delivering unparalleled value to our customers. We recognize that each client comes with unique requirements and challenges, and we take pride in our ability to offer tailored product solutions that meet and exceed their expectations. By staying centered on the principles of innovation, quality, and customer satisfaction, we have established ourselves as a trusted partner in the power electronics sector.
FindSupply, a completely non-profit foreign trade service platform.